Hello and welcome to Nigel's Workbench. On the workbench today we have an Amiga 1200 I'm going to take apart. So I'll start by undoing all the screws. This 1200, it says on here that it's got an 80 megabyte hard drive in it. And it's never been apart because the warranty seal is still intact, so we'll have to see when we get it apart. Now, do you think the warranty's void? Here we go. Right, so let's get all the screws out. And cover. Take the keyboard off. It's very grubby. Right, disconnect the keyboard. As you can see, this has got a key missing, so I don't know whether this is going to work. And it does have 80 megabyte hard drive in it. Just disconnect this. I'll try that hard drive out on WB, I think. Okay. All the other parts off. Floppy cable. I need to unscrew the screws in the bottom for the floppy cable. There's a little one there on this little bracket. There we go. That's got the flop. See the unusual blue and green circuit board. Okay, now we've got the prise up. Trying to take that screw out first, and then prise up all the metal tabs. Well, that took some getting off. A little bit. Get to shape. It looks a bit dusty, but other than that, it's got a 3.0 ROM, the half clock port, just that bit there. It's a revision 1D. Yeah, it just needs a bit of a dust. Obviously it's going to need a recap. Probably won't be putting that bit back on, we'll see. The case needs to go in the sink to be cleaned. have to take all the keys off this. Give it a good clean up. See, we've got one missing there. Top case needs clean as well. Take that off. And all that can go in the sink for a wash. That looks a bit clear, just with a quick wash of the sink, doesn't it? Rather yellowed round here. Okay, next the keys. Right, now I've got to take off all the keys and give them a bit of a wash.